Hello pa picture. Thank you.
Mark Jude Marikit. Hello. Mark Jude. Alright, so Mark Jude. Okay. Hey, Mark Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
So ito na, nagsimula nang dumating yung mga artistas at mga friends ni Kokoy De Santos.
Elijah.
Oh my God, nakita mo na siya in person. Puntahan natin.
Yan ang pinakanganakin. Kuya Drew!
Lapitan na natin.
Naka-zoom talaga. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Huwag ka Sunday. Sa Sunday, para sa...
Ito, Game Boys.
Uuwi ako sa summer.
Ay, sa
Summer pa kasi ako.
okay lang.
Kuya, may picture naman ako sa'yo. Thank you. Mga friends ni Kokoy De Santos. Hello pa picture. Thank you. Thank you. Si Director Lee.
Kasi sa side lang siya ng Shopwise.
Picture po. Thank you. OMG! Dumating na ang aming paboritong pambansang third wheel na si Pearl! Yeah! Sobrang ganda niya!
Sa wakas, girl. Maglato na ba? Maglato na ba?
Pearl, last na. Bahay na lang sa vlog.
Hello! Manood kayo sa vlog ni MacJoy.
Yes, po.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that button.
Thank you so much!
Bye!
Bye! At in fairness ha, kilala niyo ba ako dahil siya din siyang subscriber at follower ng Twitter ko noong Game Boys days. Grabe, ang sexy niya. Sana sumali siya sa Miss Universe or sa Binibining Pilipinas. Grabe yung atake niya. Binibining Pilipinas. Ricky. Si Habre. So ayan, nandito na yung cast ng Your Mother's Son na pinagbibida nila. So Prado, Kokoy De Santos, Elora Espano at Miggy Jimenez. So ito po yun si Kokoy De Santos. At ito po si Miggy Jimenez. Yes, gwapo niya. Ayan, papasok na kaming lahat sa sinihan para manood. At thank you nga pala sa nagbigay sa akin ng ticket. Thank you so much for the free ticket. Love ya, mga Kokoy fans.
Ganda na walk-in music, oh, sorry. Good evening, and happy anniversary, mga ka-idea first. We hope that for the next decade, magkakasama pa tayo, and we hope na madagdagan tayo. So, here's to another 10 years for Idea First. Thank you. Meanwhile, you've got this film festival. Is Elora Espano. Mr. Miggy Jimenez. And Mr. Kokoy De Santos. And of course, our director, June Robles Lana. And our co-writer, Elmer Gatchalian. So So,
Thank you so much for being here, for making sa kung ano mang paraan ng aming pelikula. Again, maraming salamat po.
Yan. So, again, thank you so much for being here with us. And sana, after this, spread good word for about us. So, sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming screening.
Pelikula.
Hi, good evening to everyone. Maraming salamat po for being here. Taas. Pero salamat, sana mag-enjoy kayo. At the same time, sana bigyan nyo sa amin yung tagal din ng inantay namin from 2021 to see this on screen, big screen. Ayun, sana ma-enjoy nyo. Maraming salamat, guys.
Yung pa ako, teka lang, nanginginig eh. Hindi po sa inyo lahat. Ayun, gaya na sinabi lang, enjoy lang po natin tong pelikula. At yung nanay ko nandyan, Ma! Good luck ha! Love you! Saka sa lahat ng mga friends ko, syempre nandito ngayon, maraming salamat, mahal ko kayo. Mga kalokis ko.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo. I truly appreciate your gift of presence at sana magustuhan ninyo yung ginawa namin. Pinaghirapan namin.
Si Boy Cabado.
Working on, since college, we've been working on stories. And I think even during that time, we've always wanted to write about how complicated our
21. And then a month after, ginawa namin itong Your Mother's Son. It was really just a reaction sa mga nangyayari because at that time, I think we all here feel we were helpless, ano mangyayari sa atin. And also we were reflecting on the idea na bakit tayo mapaabuso? Bakit tayo pumapayag? So yung condition na yun, and kumbaga na-crystallize siya with this drama na 4 na tao lang, and somehow gusto namin parang i-reflect or i-challenge or i-question yung tanong na yun. I-challenge yung tanong na yun na bakit tayo nagpapaabuso.
hindi kayo makita kasi from here.
Hi, I'm Gerald po. Yung question ko, mas malaki ba talaga yung kay Koboy?
Uy! Kakay?
Joke lang.
Nasa ba?
Hirap daw masagutin to.
Mas malaki nga burat ni Kokoy. Well, yun nga, like with the media ko that we had, no? Parang yun na yung naging jokes around, yun na yung naging fuss around.
Joke ba yun? Charis.
No, but seriously po, yung question ko kay Direk June, kasi parang curious lang po kung ano yung process ninyo with directing your actors, especially since in this film ang daming intimate scenes. So may special ba kayong ginagawa, I don't know, on set para maging mas comfortable sila sa mga pinapagawa ninyo? Yun lang po.
Well, unang-una, I chose to work with actors na lagi ko lang nakatrabaho because I also want to feel safe. Much as I want to give them a safe space, I also wanted to feel safe that I will be working with actors who know that I only have good intention and we are all storytellers. Yung process, we went to the location weeks before. Yun yung naging process. And then we're all part of kasi nag-manage kami ng mga talents at one point, yung Idea First, and they're all part of the Idea First talents. And so, pamilya kami. So, nung ginagawa namin yun, we nagtatawanan pa nga kami. Masaya kami kasi magkakakilala kami.
Tumatak pa sa akin yung hypocrisy ng ating lipunan, ng kultura, no? Na yung mga relationship kailangan itago. Na ang tanong ko lang, bakit kailangan pilitin na mother-son yung relationship nila sa lugar na yon? Are you saying na hindi pa rin acceptable yung older woman, younger man na relationship? Or is it because nasa probinsya sila? I mean, we see this all the time. Parang, at least sa lungsod. I mean, sa akin, no?
Hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Subscribe to Mac Jude channel.
Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel.
Yan. Subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel.
Subscribe.
Mac Jude channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Bright and Mac Jude TV. Thank you.